I hope everyone was fine, and this is my second video on YouTube on the topic of menstruation in India. Menstruation. When we speak about menstruation, first of all, that is known as period, and in India, for many girls, newly girls who got their periods for the first time, so most of them will go in a trauma. Similarly, me. Period is a very big trauma for me ever in my life. And if I discuss about it, like I uh, tell you an incident about my father that I speak to my father that about periods. I try to speak. Firstly, I will share everything with my father. So I think that I have to share this also, like everything. So period also include. So I try to speak about it. So his reply is that you don't have to talk to me on that topic, on that useless stupid topic. I think that literally my mother also told me that don't tell about it to anyone. I said, okay, fine. And the cramps, it will literally make me to like suicidal, literally. Once a time I will literally become so suicidal due to periods cramp, but still uh, everything was managed. But whenever I tell to my mother about period cramps, so she tell me like that was normal. That was normal, but the topic is not normal. Like if you communicate with other on this topic, so it will literally like what yaar, that was normal. But still, our society make it trauma for me, literally. And in in India, in some places, it was still considered as impure, unholy, dirty. Why? In my home, in my case, so there was like myths. They will my mother follow myths like not going on in the kitchen, not sitting on that, not going on there, on not going on that room. No. Why? But why? I will question to her that why you are following this stupid rules related to this. She taught me that we are following, you also have to follow. I said okay, no problem. But I literally have biggest problem to this. Like they will make many restriction related to this, that you can't do this, that, many things. But why? But why? mm, if we learn the definition of menstruation, so we will learn this in ninth also. But teacher, in fact teacher does not told that this was pure or impure. But now I have cleared everything, that everything is natural and pure, literally. And still my mother follow. I will explain her. She will. I have a toxic mother, a little bit, but yeah, I have. She does not listen to me. And one more incident which has happened with me. Once a time, I will go to my friend's home on my periods. I don't think about it. So I sit on the sofa. In our conversation, I will tell to her that I am on my periods. So she and everyone gonna stop. Like, why? I think what will happen actually? Why everyone gonna stop? my friend tell to me that, say to me, you are on periods? Literally, and you are sitting on the sofa. And then she tell me that we have to wash now sofa covers, bed sheet, everything, whatever you touch. I literally shocked that, literally, how and why? Why? And like we will buy pets that were also wrapped on the newspaper and go give to our on the black polythene. Um, and whenever I say to my mother that should I bring pets from the medical, so she refused. Like why? Why? And why in newspaper? Why? I have many questions related to this in our society, Indian society. Um, I'm growing and being productive, but this small things will become trauma for me. Like some incidents which I am telling to you in a normal way, but this was a trauma for me. These are just normal way of saying that you are growing, but in our society, like if we see about North India, no South India. So here in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, you saw that the girl who got her first period, they will celebrate as a little wedding, like that. So that was literally great. Yeah, they are celebrating, and in our society, I will tell you about myself. That when I got my first period, that time I am playing outside. My mother told me that, shout me that, come here fastly. I go. She say come inside. I go. Then she give me pad and tell me that you have to implement the pad like this in your underwear. I say, what is that? And what is happening with me? I'm totally confused. And literally that time my mother, like, what to how to explain her. But I literally don't about it in before I got it. So she taught me like only that you have to implement this. You got your period. Not in that way. In Hindi, like तुम्हारी डेट आ गई है. So I said okay, no problem. I will implement. And after that, the biggest trauma is starting with me. Like happening with me. It started happening with me. Like I'm literally going too much uncomfortable. And when she taught me that myths, like you don't have to touch this, you don't have to sit on that, you don't have to do this and that, this that many more. I say like why? My question is only why. She only tell me that we are following, you also have to follow. We can't do anything. I say okay, no problem. But that trauma is creating in my mind, that was today also. Like I will try to explain her every time, every, like that is, we don't have to follow this kind of stupid rules and regulation. That why? So still my mother follow, and not only my mother, many of that my whole family will follow. I think that, but why? I think that I will be the speaker of my family that don't have to follow this kind of stupid rules related to periods. But why they are following? This was literally natural. But still, no one is. And literally, if I talk to my mother anything more about period, like pet tak, from pet, that was normal. But if you go to menstrual cup or trepanning, and she said that your mind is there, not in studies, literally, yeah. I think that what to say, but I never did reply. Bleeding is a natural process, we know very well, and in my first period, I don't from the starting I don't get too much painful cramps, but now now literally the cramps make me suicidal, literally. On my first, second, third day, I literally become suicidal, like I can't do, but still I go to school due to my parent. But no, that was not right. But I hope that in India our society has been changed. It will take too much time, but yeah. And not only about periods and menstruation, women are not safe. Currently, the Kolkata case, everyone is talking about it, and many more rape cases. In fact, a case will happen in my family too, from the family member, but I can't reveal it. But yeah, one day I will reveal everything about me, and I will make slowly videos on YouTube, like because of I'm in 10th and I don't have time to make, and due to my busy day routine. And in that video I will literally write the script of 2 pages, only of 2 pages, and before it I will make the 6 pages script, because I that time my holidays vacation is going on, but now I am making this video on my regular working days. But it was my passion, like because I will literally love to make videos about topics. So have a nice day, and I only want to say that Indian society has been changed very soon. One day we are waiting for it, and we are also the part of it. So we have to change own self, and I'm improving me day by day by my productive day routine. So thank you all for watching this. If you see the whole video, this whole boring video, but